Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mac microphone not detecting your voice. So if your microphone is selected on your Mac, but app still can't hear you, or the input level meter does not respond when you speak, the microphone may not receiving enough input volume, or the wrong microphone may be selected. Fortunately, you can usually fix this by checking a few settings in sound menu. So first open system settings and then go to sound from the left side pane. Now in input section, make sure the microphone you want to use is selected under input section, and next speak into microphone while watching the input level meter, and if the meter does not move, increase the input volume by dragging the slider right. If that's still not response, try selecting another microphone from the list and then switch back to the one you want to use. If you're using an external or Bluetooth microphone, disconnect or reconnect it before testing again. And once the input level meter start responding to your voice, you are ready to use apps like FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet, and other voice memos. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.